How to fix iPhone storage full and you cannot take photos, videos. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Skydeck Studio. And if you're trying to capture any photos or recording videos and getting this error called iPhone storage full, then don't be panicked. Here in this video, I'll show you how you can easily fix this problem. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video, guys. Well, so if you're getting this error, that means your iPhone storage is actually full. If you open up your settings of your device and then scroll down, tap on General, and then scroll down, tap on iPhone storage right here, and you might get to see that you have the full storage right over here. Now to get free storage, all you have to do is just get back from here, and first thing first, you just need to check out your Photos application. I'm going to open up the Photos and look for unnecessary photos and videos that you have recorded on your device. Let's say I'm going to tap on the select button and I'm going to select some of the unnecessary photos and videos from here. Let's say I'm going to delete this one, and once you have done selecting, go and tap on delete and tap on delete, and those photos and videos will be deleted from your device. And also you just need to check your recently deleted folder. You just need to scroll all the way down from here and select recently deleted right over here, and you might get to see lots of old files. So you just need to tap on select button, tap on select, and tap on delete all, and all these will be deleted from here. Now get back from here. Then the very next thing that you have to do, you just need to open up the settings application from your device and come to the iPhone storage. Once again, the same place where you check the iPhone storage, and from here you just need to look for the apps that you mostly use. For example, I'm going to tap on Facebook right here and tap on Offload app, tap Offload app, and go ahead and tap reinstall app. Don't worry, this will not delete any data of your Facebook account. This will actually clear the cache for the application. And you just go ahead and do for other apps that you have on your device, and this might help you to get free storage on your iPhone. And also you can do another thing. You can open up your message application from your device and tap on the select or edit button at the top left, tap on select messages and select unnecessary messages from your device as much as possible, and go and tap on delete and tap on delete, and this might also help you to get free storage on your iPhone as well. And lastly, all you can do is just go ahead and open up the Files application from your device and tap on this download button at the top right here and select your iPhone location, and go ahead and find out the unnecessary folders that you have. Let's say I'm gonna get into the download folder right here, and I have some unnecessary folders, so I'm gonna tap on the select button right here and I'm gonna select unnecessary files, and I'm gonna tap on delete, and the file will be deleted from here. And once you have followed this step, you might get free storage on your iPhone, and right after that you just need to restart your iPhone. You can tap on this virtual home button, device, more, and restart, and tap on the restart button in order to restart your iPhone, and also you can turn off and on your iPhone as well. And once you get back, most likely a problem will be solved and you will be able to take photos and videos on your iPhone. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.